Okay, today we're going to go back to the coordinate plane.
What?
And we're going to talk about a dilation. Okay? Now, before Thanksgiving, we talked about a translation, a reflection, and a rotation. And anytime we did those three, we would result in a congruent figure. But a dilation is the one thing that we're going to do in the coordinate plane where we're going to result in a similar figure. So I know that that's not the first thing, but I want you to write it down first. Dilations will result in similar figures. Okay. Okay, so a dilation means we are either going to stretch or shrink our figure so that it is still the same shape but a different size, which is our definition of a similar figure. Do you have your notes? Like it all? Here you go. I try. Okay, so you can use this folder for today. So at least you can follow along. All right, now, do you remember at the beginning of the week, I asked you a few problems about the scale factor, okay? Okay. The scale factor is going to indicate how much the figure is going to get bigger or how much it's going to get smaller. Okay. And I don't understand why. I don't know why, but the scale factor is going to be notated with the letter K. Lots of experience writing K's. My name is. I write the letter K often, Nayeli. Okay. Now, when K, gosh, I would like my voice back. When K is bigger than 1, we have what we're going to call an enlargement. Which just means what?
Big.
It's getting bigger. So it's going to stretch. It's going to get bigger. Okay? If K is bigger than 1, our shape is going to grow. Which means if K is less than 1, it's going to get smaller. So we call that a reduction. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we are going to figure out, do we have an enlargement or a reduction so that we know if our shape is getting bigger or smaller, okay? Then all we have to do is take our coordinates and we are going to multiply every single coordinate by our scale factor K. So that K value is telling us what to multiply by. Okay. Now, there are numbers and everything's plotted on yours, but I don't have the numbers on mine, so sometimes I'm going to have to count. You're just going to have to bear with me. Okay? Okay. So, everybody look at number 1. Okay? K is 2. I would like you to turn to somebody at your table, and I want you to decide, is this an enlargement or a reduction? All right, everybody back together. Story, what do you think? Is it enlargement or reduction? K is 2.
That's 3. Wait, what?
Is it going to get bigger or is it going to get smaller?
How do I know? Smaller.
So if K is bigger than 1,
How big is K? It's gonna get bigger.
K is 2.
Okay.
So is that bigger than 1? So it is. It's an enlargement.
Oh!
Okay. Not okay. No. No. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to take each coordinate and we're going to multiply it by K. So A is the coordinate -3, 4. And what we're going to do is we're going to multiply each number by K. What? What's -3 times 2? -6. What's 4 times 2? 8. So we have the coordinate -6, 8. Let's just stop. Okay, this is going to go a lot smoother if we stop our conversations. Okay? So remember when I'm plotting a coordinate, X and then Y. So since A prime was -6, 8, I went left to -6. That number is right here for you. Up to 8. And I'm going to label it. It's my new A. Okay? Girls.
Sorry, okay. Wait, what? Yo, get her.
I plotted my point, -6, 8, and I labeled it. Okay? Now, coordinate B is the coordinate 2, 1. We need to multiply it by our K of 2. Colton. What is 2 times 2?
Wait, hold up.
And what is 1 times 2? Okay? So our new B coordinate is 4, 2.
I already knew this.
Okay? Okay, so B is 2, 1. So that's what I wrote in red. K is 2. So I'm multiplying both of the numbers by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. So now I'm going to plot it. Yep. Okay, so let's plot it together. So we're going to go over to 4 and up to 2. And I'm going to label it that it's my new B coordinate. Okay. Our C coordinate is -1, -5. We don't need to be worried about these markers right now. Since K is 2, we're going to multiply both of these numbers by 2. So what is -1 times 2? Okay, so to plot, okay, I'm waiting. -210 means I'm going to go over here to -2 and down to -10. Okay, and I'm going to label it with my new C. I also am going to connect the dots to make my new triangle. It is. How much bigger is it than the other one?
Pretty big. I would say it's
We can give it a number.
like 15 big.
No? It is 2 times as big because our scale factor is 2. Isn't that crazy?
I like figure this all out by myself.
Okay? Now, what is true? What is true about my green triangle and my original triangle? Okay, eyes up here. Eyes up here. Rhea, eyes up here. Eyes up here. What is true about my green triangle compared to the original? It's 2 times bigger. Yep, so we call them similar figures. Okay. Now, in number 2, do we have an enlargement or a reduction? Okay. K is 4. It's the little K.
And the big M right here.
Oh, great. Okay, so this is what I want you to do. I would like you to find me these new coordinates. Don't plot them yet, though. Just find me the new coordinates. Ready, set, go.
What?
No.
How do you spell your name?
No.
We're filming how you spell your name.
Yep. Okay, we are multiplying by our scale factor of 4. Can you do that, please?
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, take all these coordinates and multiply them by our scale factor of 4. Okay, hey, we're taking these coordinates and we're multiplying them all by this number 4. No, come on. You can take, what's 2 times 4? Yes, you do.
Did you know your mathematics?
What's 2 times 4? And what's 6 times 4?
6 times 4.
Sorry, what's 3 times 4?
21.
No.
Other way around.
13. Miss, why does this matter? 12.
Okay, so our coordinate is 6, 12.
Well, I got 1.
Not 4, 8, 12. It's 8, 12. Is this yours?
9? What is that? A nerd's going to classroom.
Yep.
Take it.
This is why I don't allow food in my classroom.
Why don't you allow food?
Because it's a distraction, it makes a mess. Okay, did you multiply all the numbers?
16.
Yeah?
Which number do I start? Or 3 times
Which one do I start with?
right? But 3 times 4 is 12?
Yeah.
What,
Okay,
why
all
does
you
it
have
look
to
like
do-
this?
I think you graphed it wrong. So like, if this is our coordinate for P, we're gonna take both of those numbers and multiply them by 4. So what's 2 times 4?
That's 16. 2 times 4 is 8.
So we're at 8. And then what's 3 times 4?
12.
So you're gonna write 12. Yep. And then you're gonna do that with the next one. Okay, you don't need to plug them yet, just find the numbers.
And then 1 times 4.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, wait, why didn't you tell me that? Oh, no, that is right. Oh, wait, no, that is right. Sorry.
Okay. Story, what's our new P coordinate? What? H12. Does anybody disagree?
No.
We multiply 2 and 3 by 4. Okay.
Yeah.
Marshall, what's our new Q coordinate?
16, 12.
Thank you for helping him, Carly. Okay. Memory, what's our new R coordinate? Good. Sophia, Farrell, what's our new S coordinate?
4 and 4.
Okay. So when we go to graph these, remember 8, 12 means I go right 8 and then I go up until I find 12. Graph that with me and mark it as the new P coordinate. 16, 12. I'm going to go over to 16 and up to 12. Okay, I'm just going to keep going faster since I have people who are bored and are having conversations. 12, 4 is the new R, and 4, 4 is the new S. When you draw your new picture, it should look the same shape but different size. If it's not, you've done something wrong. Whether you found your coordinate wrong or you plotted it wrong. Okay? Now, how much bigger is my red rhombus compared to my original? 4 times the size. Okay. What? Yeah. Yeah, it is.
It looks
is.
more like.
Like, look, how long is this side right here? 2. How long is this side?
Oh, 8.
That's 4 times. Okay? All right, now let's look at number 3. Our scale factor in number 3 is 1/2. What does that mean? Is it an enlargement or a reduction? Okay. Girls. We have a reduction. Yeah? Okay. So our coordinate is 8, -8 for E. We are still multiplying by our scale factor. So we are going to multiply by 1/2, which means we're taking 8 times 1/2. And 1/2 just means 1 divided by 2. So we are taking 8 times 1 divided by 2. What is 8 times 1 divided by 2? And what is -8 times 1 divided by 2? -4. F is 16, -16. What happens when I multiply 16 times 1 divided by 2? And then if I take -6 times 1 divided by 2, Colton, I get -3. Who said how? Okay. -6 times 1 is -6 divided by 2 is -3. Okay. So G is the coordinate 18, -14. What is 18 times 1/2? 9. And what is 14 times 1/2? -7. Okay, and then H is 10, 6, negative 16. What's 10 times 1/2?
5.
And what's 16 times 1/2?
8.
Okay. I did something wrong.
Yeah, it's with the F. It's 2 spaces. It's supposed to be on me.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. And then my orange is bad too.
It is.
What number is that? 16.
There we go. That looks better. Okay.